Hello everyone, today we will analyze and compare three artificial intelligences, which one is better. At the beginning, we analyzed ChatGPT and found out that it is not very good, as it cannot immediately answer the question. There is also a limit on requests and photos, so we rated it 7 out of 10. Then there is Google's Gemini, and they found out that it is better than DeepSeek, but it also has its drawbacks. It is not that smart. There is no limit, so we rated it 8 out of 10. The last chat left is DeepSeek. It is very good, easy to install. We've already shown you how to install it. He responds quickly, much smarter than previous chats. He can write code for a simple game and is able to answer complex questions. So it was rated 9 out of 10. Download it from our video and enjoy it now. Thanks for watching and download DeepSeek Chat right now using our video.